Hi, cutie pies. Welcome to Kids O'Clock with Saumya. In today's craft story, I'm going to be telling you the story of Crawly the Crow and UFO. And in the craft section, we will learn to make a UFO paperweight today. And I'll also be telling you a very interesting fact about crows. So, without further ado, let's get started with our story. Crawly the Crow and UFO. Crawly was sitting on a branch when he spotted bright yellow light descending from the sky. Soon a spaceship landed. Crawly.
What's that? Is that a UFO?
A three-eyed green alien came out of the UFO and said, "Hi there. I'm Alan, the alien. Have you seen a gold gadget? I dropped it from the spaceship. I'm looking for it."
What? Alien?
Yeah, alien for you.
See, that's a very important gadget and I need it.
Crawly.
I haven't seen anything. I don't know anything.
Oh, I'll keep looking. If you find it, let me know. Here's a communication device for you, in case you need to contact me to tell me about my gadget. By the way, what's your name? Hello? Crawly took the device and flew away. Crawly showed all his friends the gadget and told them about his alien encounter. But none of them believed him. They all laughed away.
If you guys don't trust my words, at least check out the gadget. It's not from this planet.
Wow, this is so cool. I believe you. I haven't seen anything like this before, said Peggy the pigeon.
That's strange. None of my close friends trusted me. What makes you trust me?
Said Crawly the crow. Peggy. I am a city bird. I lurk around the balconies and patios of humans all the time. I haven't seen anything like this at their houses or workspaces. Crawly.
Oh, thank God. Someone trusts me.
Peggy. But what did the alien want? Crawly.
He lost a golden gadget. He was looking for it.
Peggy. Oh, we should help him find it then. Crawly.
Yes, can you help me find it, Peggy?
Peggy. Sure, bro. Let's go. Peggy and Crawly started their quest for the lost gadget. They flew over forests. They flew over parks. They flew over downtown. They flew over suburbs. They flew over mountains. They flew around the beach. They flew over desert. And eureka! They finally found the lost gadget in one of the balconies of a high-rise building. Peggy picked up the gadget with his beak and they both flew away. Crawly communicated with the alien through the purple gadget and called him Alan the alien. I'm so grateful to both of you for finding my gadget. Alan the alien took both the gadgets from the birds and flew away in his spaceship. Bye-bye, buddies. The UFO disappeared in the night sky.
Crawly's friends spotted the UFO in the sky and rushed to the site. They were very sorry for not believing Crawly's words and they decided to keep their minds more open from then on. They realized that seeing the proof yet disregarding the truth because of one's own belief leaves no scope for seeing things as they truly are.
Please watch this video till the end for a very interesting fact about crows. Did you all like the story? Now it's time for our craft section. Let's learn to make a UFO paperweight today. Do you know what's a paperweight? We put paperweights on paper so that they don't fly away when it's windy.
To make a UFO paperweight, I took these two disposable paper bowls and I filled random useless toys in them so that they are heavy and they have some weight to them and they don't fly away themselves. So I'm filling the one bowl with toys and covering it with the other, and then I'm going to apply double tape on the bowl to stick the top bowl over the bottom bowl. Now, to be doubly sure that the two bowls are stuck together properly, I'm applying one-sided tape between the two bowls so that there's no scope of them separating on their own. So, assuming that UFOs have metallic look to them, I'm using this paper bag. It's a silver paper bag. It has some kind of a holographic look to it, and that's why I'm using it, because it's kind of reflecting light in a nice way. So I'm tracing a circle on the paper bag and I'm cutting it bigger than the circle I traced because I want the bowl to be covered properly. I'm sticking this paper on the bowl. I have applied Elmer's glue stick and I'm sticking that silver paper that I just cut. I made some cuts on the paper, little bit of cuts so that they are properly stuck. Had I not made these cuts on the silver circular paper, it wouldn't have stuck properly and it would just stay stiffer. So making little cuts on the circle enabled it to be properly pasted on the bowl. Now I am sticking tape to make sure that the silver paper is stuck on the bowl, because sometimes glue takes a lot of time to stick. Now to cover the sides of the bowl, I'm using aluminum foil. I could have used it on the top of it as well, but it did not have that holographic reflections which the silver paper bag had, so I used the silver paper bag. But of course, if you don't have a silver paper bag, you can use aluminum foil. It is very readily available at home, so you might also be having one at your home. Now I had this tea light candle. It is from Dollar Tree actually. So if you want to stick a tea light candle over your UFO, then you can do that. Or else you can skip this step. You can just put a yellow paper or any other colored paper. And I'm covering the tea light now with a disposable bottle. I cut it with knife. You can take help of your elders in cutting the plastic bottle. So I cut the bottom part of it and I'm applying Elmer's glue to it because I want to stick some glitter on it. Sticking some glitter to so that it doesn't look exactly like a plastic bottle. So I wanted to make it look a bit different than that. So I'm pasting glitter on it and I will be sticking this plastic piece over the tea light candle. I'm going to use tape to stick it. And the alien spaceship is ready. You can use it as a paperweight to keep your papers at place. I hope you like the crafting part as well.
If you all like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more interesting craft stories for you very soon. Till then, please take care and happy crafting. Bye bye.
Fact about crows. Crows can solve puzzles on par with human kids. Like in the story, the crow in the picture, wherein a thirsty crow encounters a pitcher, starts dropping pebbles into the pitcher and eventually raising the water level high enough for it to drink. Not only has research verified that crows can do this, but it shows they can pass the water displacement test at a level similar to human children between the ages of 5 to 7. Wow.
Wow!